Hey whales, good morning, happy Thursday. So coming into this week for NVIDIA, we were expecting the markets to continue pushing higher with a lot of choppiness involved, especially as sort of earnings season comes around. Now for NVIDIA here on the larger time frames, we have all of this as a bullish structure for wave 1, WXY potentially, right? This is the low for wave 2. Now, I wouldn't be surprised that the market makers push NVIDIA down one more time, closer to 75, down to 66. And the reason why is because, retail traders are really predictable. They probably longed around these areas, right? And they have a stop loss underneath the lows here. So what does this mean? This means that everyone has their stop loss right here, which is a very big liquidity pool, right? So if I'm an institution, if I'm a bank and I have billions of dollars that I need to buy, I'm going to try to push the price down, stop everyone out, gain the liquidity, and then push up, right? And if you take a look as well for that liquidity pool, you can see that the main algo targets are sitting exactly where I'm looking at, right? 73 down to 43 bucks. This is where all the liquidity is, right? So could it be that the connector is actually something like this that we're looking at? So I wouldn't be surprised if we get one more marginal low on NVIDIA. So just be aware that you may want to also have some orders down here as well, just in case this happens, right? And you're not surprised. But overall, if we're calling this the low for now, right? And it makes sense as well because the markets are well supported, right? A lot of instruments like Palantir, Netflix, they're putting in 5 waves. So you can see, for instance, on Netflix here, if I go down to the 40 or the 4-minute time frame or the 4-hour time frame, you can see that companies like Netflix were putting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 off the lows. You can see companies like Palantir make 5 waves off the lows as well. Even Google, right? So Google made 5 waves off the lows as well. So if all these companies are making sort of that 5-wave structure, we're pretty well supported for now. On the 4-hour time frame, right? NVIDIA is a little bit weaker. We made a 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially a truncated 5th for wave 1, A, B, right? Possibly sold off on the B wave coming down for the C wave. So as long as NVIDIA can hold the higher low, right? As in price does not break below, right? Can stay above for that C wave, we have a chance for the markets to continue pushing higher. If I go down to the 30-minute time frame as well for NVIDIA, you can see that our Discord group, we longed here, right, at 97. We also longed here on NVIDIA at 104. So we took profits on the wave 3 high. We took profits on the wave 5 high. And now we're waiting to see whether or not NVIDIA can actually pump up for this B wave. And then ultimately, we can see where that C wave lands to go in as well. So very, very interesting price action. A lot of instruments are putting in 5 waves. But also a lot of instruments like Meta, Amazon, Tesla, they're actually calling for lower. You can see for Meta as well. Let's go down to the let's go up to the 4-hour time frame. Companies like Meta, it's pushing lower. It only put in 3 waves, A, B, C, deep retrace. So we're seeing a mixture of signals across the entire markets here. Hence why the crazy choppiness that you've seen. Amazon as well. You're seeing a lot of chop. Deep retraces, just 1, 2, 3 towards the upside before possibly marginal new lows. So again, guys, if you need help in figuring out when to get into companies like NVIDIA, Tesla, Amazon, I'm giving you guys the exact entries in Discord. Come join Discord, guys. I'm telling you, you're going to make a lot of money with us. You don't ever have to worry about when to get in. You're going to get everything that you need here, okay? So, yeah, have a great rest of your Thursday. Let's see how NVIDIA sort of holds up, right, throughout the next couple of days. But until then, exact entries every single day. I trade NVIDIA every day with Tesla, the S&P 500. Come join. We'll see you guys here. Talk to you guys soon.